you think Edinburgh is all about castles, monuments and historical sites, then you're probably wrong. Today we are going to spend 2 days in Edinburgh and bring you a fun, realistic and easy itinerary to cover the most exciting and must-visit places in Edinburgh. We got a Lumo train from London at 5:45 in the morning, and by 10 o'clock we were already at the train station. The train station was huge. Okay, so firstly we took number 4 bus from Princess Street to Snow Sports Centre because we both excited to try Alpine coaster ride. The ride was £7 each, and make sure to book rides in advance. You can control the speed as you go and as you like and enjoy the beautiful views. They also have the Britain's longest artificial ski slope, and you can do activities like skiing, snowboarding, tubing if you go to Midlothian Snow Sports Centre. Next up, we went to do the most beautiful hike in Edinburgh, which was the Arthur's Seat. Do you know this is a dormant volcano which was erupted around 340 to 350 million years ago. When you reach the top, you can see beautiful 360-degree views of Edinburgh. It takes around 30 to 45 minutes one way, and the path was really muddy, but we continued. On the way, you could see St. Anthony's Chapel, which was built around 600 years ago. Today, only broken stone walls are left. It was already evening when we hiked back, and our legs were aching. So that's all for the day one. We started the second day by visiting Dean Village. Just a few minutes from the busy streets of Edinburgh, you'll find Dean Village, a quiet and beautiful place by a small river. Here you can see old stone houses, narrow cobbled paths and a pretty bridge over the Water of Leith. The buildings are colourful and look like they are from a storybook. There are trees, flowers and the peaceful sound of water flowing. It feels calm and relaxing, like stepping into a small village from the past right in the middle of the city. Next up, we went to see Princess Street Gardens, a big green park between the Old Town and New Town. From the gardens, you get amazing views of Edinburgh Castle sitting high on the hill. Sure, most of you know this place, the very famous Edinburgh Castle. Sadly, we could not go inside because we did not have much time to do a full visit inside. But if you are going to Edinburgh, make sure to add this to your itinerary. Just a few minutes away from the castle, you can see the Calton Hill, where you can get some best views of the city and the surrounding sea. Here you can see few monuments such as the National Monument of Scotland, which was built to honour Scottish soldiers who died in the Napoleonic Wars, and also the Nelson Monument and Douglas Stewart Monument. Our train to return to London was at 3:30 p.m., so we had some time to visit Scott Monument and roam around the shopping centre and say goodbye to Edinburgh.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe.